Today I'll be hiking the Harris Brook Trail, known in all trails as the Salem Nature Trail. It is a beautiful sunny day in February, and Pup and I are out for a walk today because snow is coming. That's right, we are in Connecticut, and February, Connecticut is the month of snow. About 9 inches will be blanketing these grounds tomorrow, and we'll be safe in our house. But for today, we wanted to get out on the trail, enjoy some nature before we camp for about a week. And in case you're wondering, why don't you hike when there's snow on the ground? The issue is that they don't plow the trailhead parking lots around here, so there's no place to park the car. So unless you have someone to drop you off at the trailhead and then pick you up again afterwards, you're probably not hiking. Not until the thaw. I was actually going to hike the Walden Preserve today, which is a 5-mile trail system across the road, when I noticed this dotted line on the map and decided to jump over here for a look. And this could be a great put-together 7-mile walk. And look, they're about to blaze it. Oh, and look, a picnic table by the water. While working on my treadmill AT simulation elevation challenge, I've been tuning into 2 thru-hikers who are starting in March. They're both women. I like the female perspective on safe trail hiking and things we have to be attentive to that men don't have to think about. I'm hoping that neither of them quit. Last year, one that I liked quit, and the other one just complained the entire time. And I had to unsubscribe because you can't complain all day long and then tap a white blaze and say gratitude. But look at this bridge. Look at this bridge. I'm just really hoping the 2 people I follow spend more time aiming their camera on the trail ahead of them than 3 inches away from their own faces, because I have to unsubscribe when people do that. Nobody wants to look at your face that closely. We want to see the bridge in front of you. We just bumped into women measuring the distance between the trees and marking them for blazing. Chatted with them for a minute, really enjoying this trail, thanked them for their work. And again, it's going to be great to combine this trail with Walden to do a great recovery hike day. There's an interesting side trail right here, so I took it because I'm betting it leads us down to the stream. And I thought that would be worth it. And oh, it is worth it. That detour was well worth the effort, so now I'm going to follow my puppy back to the main trail and get off this detour. He knows the way. Follow Barsoom. Check out all the big rocks coming up on this trail. Some people don't like that, but Barsoom does. It's one of his favorite things. Okay, come back down. I know, you did a good job. So recently I've had quite a few people message me and ask me, why are you hiking the Appalachian Trail? Like, out of curiosity. And I've come up with an Appalachian Trail metaphor for why I'm hiking the Appalachian Trail. And the metaphor works like this. Rescuing animals is like backpacking with a 25-pound backpack, and then someone comes up beside you and says, hey, you know what? My journey would be so much easier if you took this 10-pound food bag from my backpack and put it in yours. And then you'd respond back and go, but then my journey would be that much more difficult. And they would justify it by saying, yes, but imagine how much stronger you'll be at the end. Animal rescue has been like taking on everybody's bear bag, everybody's 10-pound bear bag that they lied to me about, even though I knew they were lying, saying, you know, it's a rescued bear bag, I didn't buy it, it's no injuries to this bear bag, there's no holes, and I promised to donate to help refill the bear bag, but they don't. They just take off to Katahdin with a lighter load, and then I'm left bearing the emotional weight of what should have been their journey. That being said, I do not regret any of the animals coming to me over the years. I love them all dearly. I just wish people took responsibility for their own commitments all the way to the end so that I wouldn't have to take over, especially when things get their absolute worst, which is how it seems to be in animal rescue. When things bottom out, people make their life better by making mine more difficult. And then attempting to justify it to themselves by saying, hey, she enjoys this. A good time to throw in some healing water sounds right there. This is getting a little deep. And as I go up this hill, what does this all have to do with hiking an Appalachian Trail? Well, because on that journey, no one is ever going to try to lie or trick me into carrying their weight for them. In fact, everyone is going to be so proud to wanting to carry their own weight. That's part of their journey. They're not looking for a shortcut, an easy way out. They might be looking for a bridge, though. A bridge of friendship. But not cheating one another. And that is a breath of fresh air that I can't even imagine right now. The only thing is, my puppy won't be coming with me. He's going to stay at home. Anyway, that's the biggest reason for my upcoming Appalachian Trail hike. There are other reasons as well that eventually I may or may not go into, I don't know. But in the meantime, let's get some healing for the past 20 years of rescuing animals and the emotional weight of that. While there's a powerful love side of it, there is a painful side of it as well, a very difficult side. And now let's take a break from all that and just look at this happy doggy in front of me. Look at those ears, like barn doors. Check out the sign about the bridge. So I have to say, this is a really beautiful trail system, albeit a bit short, only a couple miles long. But still, beautiful paths, beautiful bridges, wonderful water, stream walks. I mean, an amazing little bit of nature. If you're just looking for an easy walk in the woods, quick getaway because you don't have a lot of time, I would definitely come here, and I will be back again. Getting pretty close to the end of my journey here today, which is good because I have no more words of wisdom. Not that any of that was words of wisdom. As the weather continues to warm up, I'll be posting more videos, so stay tuned for those, exploring local trails. And look what I see. Like a long pause. What did I see? The duck car. Things are scary, cemetery